Your task is going to look something like this, but we're going to go through one together first. We have got a Venn diagram here, and one side says metal and one side says plastic. So we're going to look at the different objects, decide if they're made out of metal or if they're made out of plastic. Now, what do you think we do if they can be made out of both? Yes, that's right. If they can be made out of both, we need to put them in the middle, okay? Right in the middle. Okay, so we've got a chair, a ring, a bell, a water bottle, beach ball, bag, buttons, saucepan, bag. Oh, I've written bag twice. I only do bag once. And cutlery. Okay, so pause the video now and have a think. Are they made from metal, from plastic, or can they be made from both? Okay, how did you get on? Should we go through them together now? So the first one, the chair. Okay, now we've just done this one, haven't we? And the chair could be made from metal and it could be made from plastic. And it could also be made from wood, but we're not doing wood right now. So where would chair go? Yes, that's right. It'd go in the middle. Now, what about a ring? Do you think a ring is made from metal, plastic, or both? Yes, that's right. A ring can be made from both because you could have, for example, a wedding ring, or for a child, you could have a plastic ring. Lots of children walk around with little plastic rings on. So you could have either one. Now, what about a bell? Metal, plastic, or both? Yes, that's right. A bell will be made from metal because the metal ensures that it makes lots of sound when you ring it. If you ring a plastic bell, nobody would be able to hear it. It wouldn't make very much of a noise. Okay, so a bell would be on the side from metal. What about a water bottle? Now, we spoke about this one as well, didn't we? Where would that go? Yes, that's right. It'd go in the middle. Now, a beach ball. What do you think? Well, if a beach ball was metal, it'd be very, very heavy, wouldn't it? And wouldn't be very much fun because it would be heavy and not easy to throw, and it would probably hurt quite a bit when you caught it. Or if it dropped on your toe, for example, you would get hurt. So a beach ball would be plastic. Now, what about a bag? Can a bag be metal? Can it be plastic, or can it be both? Yes, that's right. A bag is plastic. Well, not all bags are plastic, but out of plastic and metal, you choose plastic because a metal bag, can you imagine carrying a metal bag around the shops? It'd be very heavy, wouldn't it? What about buttons? So the buttons, for example, that you have on your jeans, or you have on your jumper, or you have on your shirt. What do you think? Plastic, metal, or both? Yes, that's right. They can be both. So on your jeans, you probably have a metal button. But say on your t-shirt, on your shirt, you probably have plastic buttons. So they can be both. What about a saucepan? So what you cook your pasta in. Metal, plastic, or both? Yes, that's right. Metal, because metal won't melt. I mean, it will get very hot, but it wouldn't melt like the plastic would. About the last one, cutlery. Now, we've spoken about spoons. Can a fork and a knife also be plastic as well as metal? What do you think? Yes, that's right. They can be both as well. Once again, you could use the plastic ones for picnics, and you could use the metal ones in your house, and probably older people use the metal ones, and younger children use the plastic cutlery. Okay, so brilliant. Well done if you got those right. Now we've spoken about this. So do they have different purposes? Why are they suitable? So like I said, the saucepan is suitable because it's metal and it won't melt. And the beach ball is suitable in plastic because it's not heavy. Okay, so we've spoken about that quite a bit. Now it's your turn now. You have got a worksheet, Year 2 Science 13th of January resource. And it has this Venn diagram in it. So this time, instead of plastic and metal, you've got plastic and wood. And there's lots of different things, lots of different items, lots of different products that you need to put into this Venn diagram. Remember, if they're plastic, they need to be on the plastic side. If they're wood, they need to be on the wooden side. And if they can be made out of both, then they need to go in the middle. Now, once you've organised the ones that I've given you, Your challenge is to think of some more that could go in the middle, okay? Now, once you've done that, you also need to decide for the ones in the middle, why that material, so why plastic might be suitable and what's its purpose for the item in one way, but then why might metal also be suitable for the product and what purpose it might have if it's metal. Okay, so what might you use it for if it's metal? Okay, brilliant, year 2. Well done today. So if you go and complete your worksheet, complete the Venn diagram, and do your sentences about the purposes and the suitability, that would be excellent. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next science lesson. Bye, year 2.